Captain Smart in serious trouble after say odi na akoyo echi amomutwa ntore che Ghana for say Captain Smart lose ni credibility or say Captain Smart credibility no atonsuom esan say as a professional journalist say obi kan asem kirewa you need to hear the other side of the story before you pass any judgment. And yes, I would say that's a brand no ama so you need to make sure say you verify the information na the ema and be sure say the award no is sanity before you come out and even make news about it and make noise about it, because you need to make sure so whatever you say it is true and it's 100% true. And because of that and the Ghanaians are saying that Captain Smart has lost his credibility and that doesn't deserve to be called a journalist anymore, because he doesn't qualify to be called a journalist, because he doesn't make sure say the news will be broadcasting and will be put out he doesn't verify the news. Now and what me no can say honorable maybe so akumsen issue statement on this same issue honorable Takamubu Akdeba Bonti and say in track Captain Smart and now ko try to no so no the Caribbean issue statement they found any go tien some Ghana for the to the Captain Smart no run we are you bet see statement honorable maybe so akumsen so issue e dey aba.
Captain Smart of Onuya TV. Captain Smart, it will get to a time you will lose your credibility totally. Captain Smart, when you know there also what to see MPP for 1 hour dear, the MPP be be anya ufeno koso. Once a Captain Smart when you may go asi. Captain Smart when you may go asi papa 2024 election, una wo bo de wuro and a kaswa election no our kumsin. Ebusia for mummy enkotie audio smart
ye ne bisa ne mame cars na ye dodo say baako e na ono awom bi dem rante ne wachire ana say cars na ye dodo say
kana ye mienu baako eji enim na baako eji achire.
That's right.
Yeah,
the idea mu na the idea chene na eto kan
ye idea achire no
eti car no Land Cruiser black no e cross wo de na say be share montem
e ba ye di mechanic no mo start some fire.
Who can I say the do can it no?
There be me a mechano.
Okay.
Me a mechano.
Patrol now when I will drive it.
Patrol there be.
Okay.
Now me driver na mechano.
All right. Who can I say na
some journalist for Ghana.
Na yeah.
Asemusia.
Yeah, sex na mechano.
Investigation. Na mo metro report answer na. Now we cause fear and panic. 2024 election. How akumse me say we say we start bubu amanfodua bomudua mami awakumse bomudua kunkumom so ye journalist so ye wan yo bomudua omo manti asem na se bia omo huri sorry ti awo no mami bomudua kunkumom omo ne omasefo shiomase Ghana journalist for a side time ebinum munsie nyansa asemusi amunko grounds na munko ye investigation ansana moye dede ewo TV ni radio so chimie na dos wo Ghana ha chimie no some of the journalists chimie no chimie the way chimie e batamakuma ho e ma ye di ha wakumsi atem kwasie bia so ya no di ha wakumsi atem because of 2024 election na mesemo ebebo bom nkonkonua so ni mu tiri so sa journalist for onuya TV journalist for negonya was say ke pamo including Captain Smart sa papa na so sekete no Captain Smart na so asekete be manim den first na Captain Smart me feeling it too much but on kano kure Captain Smart on kano kure kapre.
Honestly speaking, me from day one, my name is Captain Smart, on your credible. Me have been telling you people this, say Captain Smart on your credible. He doesn't even know what journalism is about. All he does, they say, he goes and sits on TV or on radio and spread misinformation and lies about people. Captain Smart has been lying and playing smart because he thinks his name is Smart, but he's not smart. He is very dumb. He is not smart. But he calls himself smart because in his mind he thinks he is smart. But unfortunately, that is not the truth. The truth is he is not smart as he claims. And that's the reason why I've been telling you people that for you to sit down for someone like Captain Smart to peddle false news about someone and you believe in it without verifying shows how ignorant and incompetent you are. You also are. I've been telling you guys. I've been telling you so many years. I've been telling you, say, Captain Smart is not credible. Captain Smart is not credible. This was the same person who lied that when kidnapping on 4 or 5 years ago when the school, it ended up saying no baby. It even ended up saying no on him. But Captain Smart that time was working at a dome, lied on public television. This same Captain Smart, somewhere in 2021, 2022, thereabout, came and lied that Putin put him to a friend in Ghana. That very year, Ghana did the independence. That Putin now Ghana Happy Independence Day. That is when you the Captain Smart, or your trophy, he said liar. It was this same Captain Smart who lied on national television, say John Kumar, the former member of parliament, Edema Ejoso. He was poisoned, and now Ujina all to find out, say, no, Papa no Kwano, when who out of poison. When who out of poison. Let's say I'm trying to try it, I've been telling you people. So you believe in Captain Smart, and whatever he tells you at your own risk. You believe in him, and whatever comes out from his mouth at your own risk, because he's a liar. He's a confident trickster. He's a fraudster, Captain Smart. Now, Honorable Mavis Sawakumsen, and so at the statement about wanting on this issue, you could see some more on also at the Betuja at the first answer me within at the promise, young Combra. Breaking news, Ebushamanoka said the Honorable Mavis Sawakumsen, former MP, any former minister, will issue a statement or say statement by Honorable Mavis Sawakumsen on the Interior Minister's revelation on the Kaswa shooting incident. For immediate release, Accra, Ghana, November 6, 2025. I have taken note of the recent revelations by the Honorable Minister for Interior, Honorable Muntaka Muhammad Mubarak, regarding the findings of investigation into the election-related violence, including the tragic incident at Kaswa. The minister's report confirms that 21 suspects have been identified, that there were clear breaches of discipline by some security officers, and that the use of firearms in certain situations were unjustified. These findings affirm what I have constantly maintained, that the Kaswa incident was the result of security lapses and institutional failures, not the actions or instigation of any individual. For years, I endured harsh and unfair public attacks. I was branded violent, reckless, and unfit for office through sensational and misleading headlines. The judgment was swift and painful. Today, the Interior Minister findings have vindicated me, confirming that the violence was not directed by me, but stemmed from a yet broader systematic failures and in election security coordination. The unjustified accusation and intense vilification I have faced even led to my assault during the rerun of the 19th police station in Ablekuma North, where I had gone peacefully to monitor proceedings. That experience remained one of the darkest moments of my public life. The experience, a reminder of how false narratives can destroy reputations and endanger lives. While I take no delight in revisiting this painful experience, I extend my deepest sympathies to the families of all victims of electoral violence. Their loss must be our national lesson. I fully support the Interior Minister's recommendations, including compensation for victims, enhanced police training, the use of non-lethal crowd control tools, and the discontinuation of military involvement in election crowd control operations. I call on all Ghanaians, especially political actors and the media, to exercise calm, reflection, and responsibility. Let us avoid misinformation, incitement, and divisive rhetoric. This moment calls not for blame, but for introspection, justice, and national unity. May this truth restore faith in our institutions and strengthen our democracy. Let us all pledge that never again should political competition lead to the loss of Ghanaian life. Signed, Honorable Mavis Hawakumsin, former Member of Parliament, Ewusunya East, former Minister of Special Development Initiatives, Fisheries and Agricultural Development, MPP National Women's Organizer, Hopeful. Naturally, a statement, Honorable Mavis Hawakumsin, Edia Babetu Jano, naturally say, Makinkain Edia Maono, aha, inti no chire say, Nyankopon ayadom ama ende no, nipa nyina na ewiase nyina ehu say, entro etwato no so, eye mfe bebe nyina ema nipa hu ni say oye nipa boni ni ye obi atuturu asem ne ni so oye ne ni ye dingidi ni ade no a chire say okunkum nipa nyina na ye ade na enye no kra ende no. Nyankopon enam NDC party na so ama ne kra bede de obi ehu say na de wesi ema nipa hu no nya sa no na otie. Nyankopon hye obi bia na omo a omo hwe omo nkwa during election eye violence ewo man nim no omo bobusafo nyina ya ko omo bobusafo nyina ne hyede na minister no recommendation say yen compensate sa nkofo na busuafo no eno so ade ofo so pa na eni say sa BBC no esibiom ema amanfo ehwe omo nkwa ena mabato yekoto ede yi mampanyini na asema hwe ebadwani ntwei ensam a former member of parliament ede mai wotu senya east honorable Mavis Hawakumsin ede ababeto ja medase so nyanto boase na utie me.